Hello viewers, collectors, and slot car racers. Welcome back to the channel. In this week's episode, we have a vintage Monogram Midget racer with a new old stock Strombecker motor, gears, wheels, deep guide blade, brass braids, nice chrome, gold chrome trim, wrapped steering wheel, detailed livery. Looks and runs great. So let's go ahead and take a few pictures, give it a test run on our track, and it will be available for sale on our online store. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so that you're alerted anytime we list a new car for sale. And with that said, let's hit the track. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Don't forget to check out all of our other great cars on our online store and the link in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.